Okay, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve two linear equations simultaneously, or a system of two linear equations using technology. I'm going to first go through it on the TI83 Plus, and that will also work on the TI84, and then I'm going to show you on DESMOS. So we want to find the unique point that satisfies both x minus 2y equals 13 and 3x plus y equals 4 using technology. Before we can pump these into our graphing calculator, we need to solve both of them for y. So the first equation, if we solve that for y, you would have y equals 1/2 x minus 13 halves. And then the second equation, you have y equals negative 3x plus 4. Okay. So turn this on. Oh, I got a bunch of stuff in here I got to clear off. Okay. So 0.5x minus 13 halves, and then negative 3x plus 4. I'm going to hit zoom 6 to standardize the viewing window. There's the first equation. There's a second equation, and then you hit second, calculate. Number 5 is the intersect. And now it's going to ask you first curve. It's going to put the cursor on what you typed in as the first curve. Just hit enter, and then same thing for the second curve. The reason it does that is because you might have a situation where you're drawing 3 or more graphs, and it wants to know which 2 are you picking to find the intersection point. Okay, then you just scroll your cursor over to where the intersection point is near it. That's not going to be the answer, obviously. Don't ever use trace or scrolling to find a specific point on a graphing calculator or an intersection point. You got to use this intersect function and then get the point near the intersection point and then hit enter, and it'll give you the point 3, negative 5 right there. Okay, and it'll highlight it. Now, as for DESMOS, let me bring DESMOS over. So the nice thing about DESMOS is you don't have to solve them for y. You can just put them in the standard form. So x minus 2y equals 13. And then if I hit the home button here, you can see the graph there. And then the other one was 3x plus y equals 4. And then it highlights the intersection point. You could put the cursor right on it, you get 3, negative 5. Now, again, I'm showing this to you as a way to be able to utilize technology. A couple things I want to mention. First off, you may be called upon in the AP Calc exam to do a problem like this without the use of a calculator. And second, DESMOS is not an option for technology on the AP Calc exam. So make sure you know how to do this on the graphing calculator as well. All right, guys, that's it for solving a system of equations using calculator and DESMOS. Hope that was helpful to you. Take care.